DeGroot X YouTube channel. So buckle up, let's go for a ride. Good morning. Look at this beautiful weather right now. It's supposed to rain next week. It rained last week, but we have a small chance to do some solid work on the Black Frontier. I don't have a name for it yet. I haven't felt the motivation for one yet. I want you to comment below, what should we call the little Black Frontier? It's no Ford, it's 4-cylinder. It's an automatic. It's like a little mediocre, you know? Anyhow, what we're gonna do today is restore some of this really bad faded paint. As you can see right in here and all over the hood, I mean, this paint is just hammered, especially on the roof, of course. Black paint's hard to do, but I mean, it's a little beater, and we're gonna try and just at least make it so that water beads off of it, right? So a couple things that I have, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna rub a compound in it to get all the swirls and scratches and everything. Try and take that clear coat down. That's a little bit more abrasive. And then after I do that, well, first I'm going to be doing a clay bar to pull out all the little stuff that sits on that clear coat, and then it kind of sinks into that clear coat and just basically starts to ruin the paint. It'll if it's metal, it can start rusting into there. So all that needs to come out of the paint, and that's what that clay bar does. It basically sucks all those little particles out of the paint when it's almost like sanding it, but not sanding it. Then we'll do the compound, and then what I have, and I'm not sure if this is any good yet, worth a try, Color Magic Black Polish. So we'll polish up that clear coat once we do the clay bar. It's on the agenda today. I have my trusty helper, Soup. She's gonna help me get this thing done, and we'll start at the top and move our way down, see how much we can get done before the weather possibly changes. But here we go. Roof's done. Now this is probably get some flack for doing something wrong, but it's kind of what I know. And this paint is hammered, and this isn't a show car or anything, but now it's nice and smooth. I'll probably put another layer wax on it as well, but it is super smooth. It's shiny everywhere now, and it looks black, which is a big deal because it was grayish. As you can see right there, it's kind of how it was all over the roof. There's still all kinds of spots that were, you know, probably bird poop and stuff that was just sitting there for who knows how long. And I can, you know, this is one of those things where you can do it a million times and cut it with compound or do wet sand or something like that. But I'm just trying to get it, gonna get it to a good shiny black. Yeah, of course there's gonna be tons of stuff wrong with it, but a little bit of step at a time. It's not ideal weather. When the clouds come over, it's perfect. It's nice and cool. When it's not, it's getting really hot and drying up that wax really quick and causing it to dry out and stick really bad. So I have to use a lot of like spray wax to keep it from like becoming totally dry and caking on. But we're gonna keep working on it. Hopefully I get some shade and I'll be able to do the hood as well. So roof, hood, then I'll probably work towards the fenders, etc. So we'll keep working on it. So here you go. You can see how terrible the paint is. And this is like, I will call it clean. Clean as in there's no like stuff on it. And that side is obviously extremely shiny because it just got polished. But it's night and day. It's not as good as it could be if I was pro and I had some of the good stuff. Probably needed you could probably wet sand this and then do it, but it's pretty good. It's coming out pretty good. It'll look so much better with that all done. So I'm getting excited. It's a fun little project for the day. Since I couldn't go pick up racetrack parts to work on the racetrack, this was the next best thing. Oh, I'm done. I'm done for now. I'm done with this particular project. I'm exhausted, I'm not gonna lie. I'm super exhausted. But the truck looks so much better. So much better. I mean, it's got its dinks and dings and whatnot, but as you can see, it has had the, we'll call it a 2.5 step cleaner job. There's still some weird bird poop set, but look at that thing, man. It's so nice. Let me show you what I got inside as well. So the inside's all done minus the radio. So if you can see, I got this piece. Now I need the radio and it'll be all done back inside. Fresh new truck. I'm pretty stoked. Runs great. It's getting 20 miles a gallon so far. I think I'm gonna go through the full tank and see how it goes. But yeah, look at that thing. That is a sweet looking truck. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for me for today. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, click the like button, and I'll see you on the next project. Peace.